Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm going to give you a simple strategy to make a lot of money trading Bitcoin. Now, I know why you're here, so I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm going to get straight to the point. You want to see the strategy, you want to make money, which is fair. So let me show you. I'll start straight into it. First, the strategy is something you can do with any cryptocurrency, and you don't need to be particularly skilled or have years upon years of experience trading cryptocurrencies. You can make money without it. I'm not an expert on cryptocurrencies. I'm an investment banker. I work in structuring deals, but I made money with this strategy. So what I've loaded here is the MetaTrader 5 terminal. You can download it on Google. It's a free program. Most traders use it. So what you don't want to do is you want to go and make sure your broker, the one you're using, is offering Bitcoin. Here I've loaded the Bitcoin versus US dollar chart. So I'm going to give you the step-by-step way to make money. First thing is you'd want to change the time frame to be based on the 2-hour time frame. Here we go. So I've moved it to 2 hours. This is not a quick strategy, but it's guaranteed to make you money. What you then want to do is you'd want to load an indicator called the Bollinger Bands indicator. You can use the default settings of 20 periods and 2 standard deviations. Most brokers, if not every single one of them, would offer the Bollinger Band indicator. So you should be able to load it onto the chart. Once you do that, you'd see 3 lines, a middle one, an upper one, and a lower one. What these lines represent are their moving averages over 20 periods. So what they give you is they give you resistance levels. Think of it as the walls in a tunnel. It's something that prices are going to have a hard time breaching, and we're going to take advantage of that. So the movement we're looking for, we're looking at candles, and what we're looking for is that these candles, at least 3 of these candles, fail to breach either the lower or upper Bollinger Band. This is the movement you're looking for. You're looking for a candle, like for example here, if you look at my mouse on the chart, you're looking for a candle that hits the Bollinger Band, is unable to breach it, so it closes above it. Another candle that again retests the Bollinger Band, retests this resistance level, fails to breach it, closes above it, and a third one. The moment the third candle fails to breach the Bollinger Band level is the point you'd see a huge reversal in the market. And at that point in time, you want to be either buying Bitcoin if you're the lower band, or you'd want to be selling Bitcoin if you're the higher band. This strategy works around 98% of the time. You just need to make sure you're disciplined. You're waiting for 3 candles that fail to breach the lower resistance level. And at that moment in time, you're going to be buying the index. I'll give you another example. Let's look at a historical period when this happened. Here you go. Now here you have the same, but it's showing you what happened with the upper Bollinger Band. So you see you have one candle that breaches but fails to make material gains. Another candle that again weakly breaches, closes under the upper Bollinger Band. Another one that barely makes it above, and at that point you have a huge reversal in the market. So here on this candle you would have sold Bitcoin and you would have made a lot of money. Let's take a third example. And mind you, never get greedy with this strategy. Always be patient. Patience and discipline is the way to make money. Here we go. And another example. you can see this candle breached significantly. At this point, you don't have really a signal. But what you're looking for is this movement here, where you have the 3 candles failing to actually breach the resistance level. So they test it, fail, and then you have your reversal upwards. And you can see many more examples. Another one is here. Again, you have 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles, fails to close above the upper Bollinger Band, then you have a big movement all the way down to the lower barrier. And if you had sold here, you would have made a lot of money. So this is how I made my money. I'm patient, I'm disciplined, and I trade. So good luck and make lots of money. And if you're interested in some mentorship on the general topic of money and success, check out my channel. I also do some guides on investing, jobs, and I give free money.